हेलो एवरीवन। अभी हम देखेंगे IoT बेस ट्रांसफार्मर प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम यूजिंग सेंसर्स। इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हम एक सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफार्मर यूज़ कर रहे हैं जिसको हम प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे विद वेरियस सेंसर्स सच एस DHT11 अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर and we will measure its voltage via voltage sensor. Now we are using microcontroller Node MCU ESP8266 in this project, which work on embedded C language and connect through IoT application of ThingSpeak server. Now, when the single phase power supply comes, it divides into two verticals. First, it goes to directly single phase transformer, and then from here, power supply goes to 0 watt bulb. Another vertical, it goes to a rectifier circuit which rectify and step down the 240 voltage of AC into 12 voltage of DC. Then this 12 voltage of DC is goes into voltage booster circuit where we can change its voltage via rotating this potentiometer, and based on this potentiometer the output of voltage booster circuit varies, which measure further by voltage sensor, and this voltage sensor give the signal in analog format to Node MCU ESP8266 at the pin of A0, and then ESP8266 will further calculate the analog signal and convert it into digital signal via its own inbuilt ADC channel. Then further calculation and all the logic work completed by the embedded C controlling code, which will send to its code into ThingSpeak server. Okay, so let's power up this project and see how it works. So this is our ThingSpeak server. Here you can see the name of channel is IoT based protection of transformer, and when we click to the channel private channel, then here you see three fields. First field shows the difference between the voltage and the graph between the voltage and date means time. Second shows the graph between the oil level in time. Third will show the graph between temperature and time. Okay, so now how it works. So this is basically ultrasonic sensor which help us to detect the level measurement of oil in the oil tank of a transformer, a big three phase or single phase transformer, heavy duty transformers. Okay, so when this sensor is placed like this, so it will measure the distance between level of oil and the sensor surface. Okay, this distance will directly show into the ThingSpeak server here. Now as we discussed about earlier how voltage sensor works, we will show the voltage rating in this field and the temperature rating via DHT sensor in this field. So here is a DHT sensor. We can see it is attached to the transformer. So when transformer is overheated, then DHT sensor sends the temperature and gives the digital signal to the Node MCU microcontroller. So let's start project. So now you can see this bulb is glow up, and this is AC part. So please handle this part very carefully. And now we see that readings directly comes up at 14th Jan 21.2 pm. Okay, so this is 9.10 pm. Maybe it's a little bit time error in my laptop. Okay, so the exact temperature right now is 24.8, which is correct. The oil level right now is 8. If we increase the oil level, then after 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds, this reading will update automatically, and this is the voltage comes up at voltage comes from the voltage booster circuit and as an input in the voltage sensor.